dili pagtuloy para iyo pagpakita ko na nito sa Godly Father. Okay. So I'd like to share this to you in what is really a father? If we spell out the word father, basin ta F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Okay. So tagaan tayo itong mga father in character. Father. So tagaan tayo itong mga character of father, pinagi ito ng mga letters. F. F is for faithfulness. Bible dami mga Bible characters that are fathers who are faithful. Amin nila mga tatay na honor, mga faithful in a father, honors his marriage, vows, protects his children, and shows constant allegiance to his heavenly Father. Faithful, di lang iya kapag-protekta iya mga children, but in allegiance and obedience to his God, to our God. Just like Abraham, makikita natin kung ano ka-faithful ni Abraham. Abraham became a father when he was 100 years old. Okay. Kutiyan na lang siguro ang panahon na nag-spend para kan Isaac. Abraham was a man was a faithful, he was called a man of faith. So fathers, you are a man of faith. As a godly father, fathers should be a man of faith. Faith in God so that you will be able to teach your children how to be faithful in obeying the words of God. Even God himself is a God of faithfulness. Jesus is a God of faithfulness. He obeyed even to the point of death. He obeyed God. He was faithful to his very God. He was faithful in a ministry, but he was faithful to his God. And fathers, may you have this godly character of faithfulness that you will be able to pass it on to your children. Next, so F is for faithfulness, or being faithful. Our Father is faithful. Next, another letter, sunod, A. A is for affectionate. Hello, fathers, affectionate. Okay. A godly fathers shows love to his children. Parang kita matanan kita na need to be loved. No one is exempted. Every one of us would want to be loved, especially our children. However, Pilipinas, or mostly ating culture, labi na itong men, they are constrained in giving this affection because of the macho image that the world or the society dictates. Then we withheld in affection to their children. But as godly fathers must show their love to their children. But when a father shows affection to his family with a pure and sincere heart, ano't matatabo, he strengthens and unites the family. Affection instills faith and security in children. If children know that their father is there for them and are confident in their love for them, they will not hesitate to go to their father in hour of need. Affection. Our children need affection. One way of giving affection to our children is blessing them with our touch. Father, siguro masing kaya namin ito trabaho mag-ugay-ugay ito nila mga anak, or kaya daray ito trabaho mag-embrace sa ilang mga anak, labi na kong lalaki, kaya namin ito trabaho. But godly fathers should bless their children with touch. Remember Isaac when he was on his deathbed? He called Jacob. And it's written in the Genesis chapter 27, 26 to 28. This is a conversation between Isaac and Jacob. When he was about to die, nagtawag Isaac and Jacob. And then next niya, come closer to me. And when Jacob went closer to Isaac, he touched him, and he kissed him, and he blessed him. Fathers, do not withhold your touch to your children. Also, you will be able to show your affection by the words when you go out to your children as fathers. Affection. Children needs to hear the words, I love you. Children needs the word to say, I'm proud of you. Children needs to hear the word, yes, go on, I'm here with you. I'm here by your side. Fathers, as godly fathers, do not withhold them from your child, from your children. Give words of encouragement, bless them. Ayaw lang pinimilahin ng pagbibilusaan. And if they are wrong, yes, it's okay to spank them, it's okay to reprimand them, but siguro, you must do it with a heart. The words that will build up your children by being affectionate. Godly fathers blesses his children with words of affection. A blessing is not a blessing unless it is spoken. Yes, you need to bless your children and you need to assure them of your affection and love.